aides are often implemented as a beneficial support system, their presence can inadvertently undermine a student's development and downplay their capabilities. One of the most significant risks is the cultivation of learned helplessness. When an aide provides constant, immediate assistance, the student may not develop the resilience and problem-solving skills that come from productive struggle. Instead of learning to navigate challenges independently, the student learns to rely on the aide as a crutch, waiting for prompts and answers, rather than attempting tasks on their own. This dynamic, though well-intentioned, can stifle the growth of self-advocacy and critical thinking, sending the implicit message that the student is incapable of succeeding without this intensive support. Furthermore, the constant presence of a one-on-one aide can lead to social stigmatization and lowered academic expectations. The aide can become a physical barrier between the student and their peers, inhibiting the natural social interactions that are crucial for development. Classmates may view the student as fundamentally different or less competent, leading to social isolation. This perception can be internalized by the student and even unconsciously adopted by the classroom teacher, who might direct less challenging questions to the student or interact with them less frequently, assuming the aide is handling their instructional needs. This effectively downplays the student's potential and segregates them from the full classroom experience. Another way an aide can be undermining is by unintentionally interfering with the crucial relationship between the student and the certified teacher. The teacher holds the primary expertise in curriculum and pedagogy, yet they may defer to the aide for day-to-day instruction and feedback for that particular student. This can create a situation where the student receives the majority of their instruction from a paraprofessional who may lack the training to deliver it effectively. This reduces the student's access to high-quality, direct instruction from the teacher, thereby limiting their academic growth and placing them in a separate, lower-quality educational track within the same classroom. Finally, an aide can undermine a student's education by overstepping their designated role and making inappropriate in instructional modifications. Without a deep understanding of the subject matter or the student's specific learning trajectory, an aide might oversimplify tasks, provide incorrect information, or alter assignments in ways that remove the academic rigor. This mommying, or excessive helping, prevents the student from being appropriately challenged and masks their true abilities. By watering down the curriculum, the aide is not supporting the student, but rather downplaying their potential to meet grade-level expectations and engage with complex material.